Hey traders, good day. Coben here. Just want to share a really nice thing. So here it is, guys. Have you ever noticed you're using a moving average indicator? You're on the 5-minute chart, everything's great. Switch to the 1-minute chart, and those lines change. Isn't that strange? Well, I mean, it's not strange, but it's it can be a pain in the ass sometimes, right? So if you use moving averages, higher time frame, those those settings they stay in the same position. Those moving average lines, they stay in the same position no matter what time frame chart you switch to, which is really awesome. Like if you really think about it, it helps you out tremendously, guys. Don't underestimate this because it just blows me away how helpful this is. Like, if you're on the 5-minute chart here and you got your regular indicator on, you wouldn't have seen this position here. It would have just bounced off, and you would have just had a whole totally different outlook on your thought processes. So I mean, you can use this in a whole bunch of different ways, but yeah, just check it out. Like, I mean, it's just so nice. I don't know exactly how to explain it, but just check it out for yourselves, guys. For sure, you don't want to miss out on that. So there it is. How do you find it? What is it? There it is, guys. Pattern scalper. There it is. Like, I mean, nobody is using this indicator, but I mean, it is kick ass. It's kick ass, guys. And the settings that I have are here. Here, I even wrote down some things before here for you guys. So yeah, here 60. I use this 60 for the 4 hour, 100 for the 1 hour, 500 for the 5 minute, and there's the 238 on the 1 minute. And here's the indicator. That's what this looks like here. 60 on the 4 hour. Next one is 238 on the 1 minute, 500 on the 5 minute, and 100 on the 1 hour. Maybe there's some better settings, but that's what I use. Yeah, here's a few more examples. I'll just go back a day or so. And here's that line again. You can see it just bouncing off that, right? I mean, if that doesn't tell you, if that doesn't help you in the slightest, then yeah. But lots of ways to use it. Here's Wednesday. I don't think I took that one. But yeah, it goes down, comes back up to that 238, comes up and just like bounces right off there. And I mean, it's just settings that nobody would use, right? 20, this brown one is the 2500 on the 1 minute. Like nobody uses that. And it's not the fact that nobody uses that. It's just that, yeah, just like I said before, guys. So, okay, and here's that other one, right? I mean, like, it's just, if I was good with words, I would explain this to its fullest potential. There it is again, and just hits that and just drops hard. Like, my goodness gracious. Another example. So yeah, play around with it, guys, and like I said, hope it helps. Drop some comments, and I'll answer any questions if I can. But yeah, have fun with that, guys. Peace.